What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are here for the wig review, stick around because the details of this beauty are coming up. I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. What's up, guys? It's your girl L Just Living. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, so today, ladies and gentlemen, we have an unboxing of some sort. Okay, so we went on Shein, child, because I go on Shein to get to look good vacation clothes and things like that, look cute little bikinis. It's kind of taking over the Fashion Nova era. I kind of go to Shein now. I don't go to Fashion Nova like I used to. Alright, so anyways, I decided, hey, I'm always looking for inexpensive, cheap wigs because my mind changes with the wind. The direction of the wind blows this way, my mind changes. The direction of the wind goes this way, my mind changes again. So I was like, let me see if they have some inexpensive wigs over there that your girl might like to check out. So I ordered some and they're here. And by the way, I do live in Asia, so Shein ships to me a lot faster than Fashion Nova does. Like, for real. Like a couple of days and it's here. Let's see what we got. So I think I ordered like 2 or 3 pieces. 1, 2. Oh, I forgot I added a little color. I forgot about that. Uh-oh, there's something else in here. I got a little gift. Okay, I need this. And some brow brushes. I can use some brow brushes. Thank you, Shein, for the brow brush. Oh, I bought this. I forgot when you go to Shein and you make purchases, they give you like the option to buy discounted items for like cheap. This is like 5 dirhams, which is like $1 and something. For these little lash brushes, which I think is kind of cute though, right? That's a pretty good deal. I couldn't pass up on that. And I need some good lash brushes to line up these brows, child. I do. Let's see. Not lash, I mean brow brushes. I keep saying lash brushes, but brow brushes is what I mean. So, I mean, that's not a bad deal. $1 for these 3. Can you see it? Not bad at all. So I'm going to push this to the side. Now let's try these girls on, I think. So we got this one. What is her name? Does she have a name? Sachetto. Ricola Plastica. Ricotta Plastica. Made in China. Oh, it's a curly one. I ordered a curly. Y'all, I don't even remember what I ordered. I just saw. Okay, girl. Okay. I'm liking the curls. I think I remember ordering her. She's cute. What y'all think? I like the curls. I'm liking the length of her for sure. Someone's beating upstairs. Can y'all hear that? Why do they wait till it's late at night? Why do they wait till nighttime to want to start beating them? They could have done this all day. It's nighttime. Luckily my kid, he sleeps through anything. Ooh, I feel like she's gonna be super cute when I put her on. Alright, so I don't know the details to this one, but what I will try to do is look it up and add it to the description. I'm really horrible about adding things to the description. I'm trying to be better at that this year and also listing the chapters. So with that being said, note to self while you're editing, make sure you add this to the description, girl. So I already got my wig cap on and everything, so let's go ahead and give this girl a try. Alright, so let's take a look at the inside. So it has these 2 clips right here at the top for this first bag, girl, and then it has the Okay, it also has 2 clips on the side to put under your wig cap, and then it has the clips, the little clamp thing at the back to make sure you got a nice little hold. Okay, so that's what the inside looks like. Let's go ahead and put her on and see what she looks like on mama.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, okay, alright.
I think once let me brush these curls out. I like her. I like her. I did not clamp her in. Of course, if I was wearing her out, I would, just to make sure she's not going anywhere and she's secure. But I like it a lot. This is cute. I can work with this. I can see myself like being really cute. Business or pleasure, for sure. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I think I just need to comb out the curls, like, you know, brush all the curls out, put on a cute little dress, little black dress, or any color dress, to be quite honest with you. I'm loving these bangs. Oh my gosh, I like this. Now, she is not natural hair, so that means that she's not gonna last that long. As cute as she is, she's not gonna last that long. I'll give her a couple of months, and that's cool. But I think what I'm gonna do this year, I'm gonna really try to invest in a good quality natural hair wig, something that lasts me a long time. But I'm liking this girl. She's very full, you know. She has a lot of curls going on. Guys, this wig didn't cost me very much at all. I will put the price, it had to be like $20 or less. I'll put the price on the screen here, and of course I'll give you all the information on this particular wig. I think I'm going to do a separate video for each of the wigs, because I feel like I need to go to the mirror and pose in this girl a little bit more. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. I like her. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this down in the comments below. I am feeling her so much. I feel like she fits my personality. I feel like she fits my face. I do have naturally curly hair, but my curls aren't this loose. I have tight curls, but I could see this being like, I just feel like it fits me. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this hair down in the comments below. Do you like her? Would you invest? Would you invest some coins into this cute girl right here? Let me know. All right, so I'm gonna try on the other 2 wigs, but I think I'm gonna do a separate video. What do you think about that? I don't want my videos to be too long. I'm trying to limit my videos nowadays to about 8 minutes while I build up, you know, my repertoire of videos, as well as, you know, build up my following. Your girl is approaching our 4-year mark, okay? And for my 4-year anniversary, I would love to have 4,000 supporters on the channel that we're calling Living Legends, because that's what we are. We are living legends. There will be quite a few changes coming up on my channel this year, and I'm very excited about it, because I feel like, you know, it's gonna be fun for me. It's gonna be entertaining for everyone else. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not. If you are a returning supporter, thank you. You already know, baby, you are the real MVP. And if you're new around here and you stuck around thus far, what you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, because if you like the button, or if you like the video, excuse me, or if you comment down below. All right, guys, so my video died, and yeah, I decided to get a closer view. I am loving this hair. But as I was saying, if you are new around here and you are liking what you are seeing, go ahead and check out some more videos on the channel. Of course, around here we have a lot of travel videos. We have family, we have fun, we have life in Dubai. I am an expat wife, expat mother, businesswoman, entrepreneur. And I do have my 9 to 5. So you're getting to see all of that and more. We're all about family, flights, and fun around here. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and enjoy the family. As always, it's your girl L Just Living. Love you bunches. Bye-bye.